Hi guys, this is Moses again. I'm working on big pillar on the passenger side this time. And I went back to this because like I said on the previous video, I was still having this problem with the noise, with the rattle noise that is coming from the pillars. Before, what I did was to secure this bolt to the plastic, as you can see here, that is foam. I'm not sure how long that's going to last. On the other one, I did put felt or velcro basically. This piece of velcro, you just cut it very narrow, uh, and a couple of pieces. You have this, and then you insert it inside here. Um, to me, this is okay. That's not the problem. The problem that I haven't fixed is this bar here, the metal bar. The metal bar is making noise when this goes up and down. So what I did is, this time, I added the same Velcro stripes here on this side and on the other side, right there. So it's too small, like a quarter of an inch by 2 inches long. And then you're gonna do the same thing, okay? Um, on the bottom one, let me see if I can move it. I guess that I need two hands. 1 second. Okay, so on this side, you can see the two pieces Velcro here and here on those spots because that makes um, secure this without any noise. So, two ways to do it with foam, whether strip foam that you can insert there, they come with glue also, or you can do the Velcro. So, now this piece here that goes up and down. This piece is very loose. As you can see, it will just slide, and when that goes up and down, or actually once you put this together, right, you hear the vibration because it also comes from the base from this. You hear it. So these two pieces are not quite secure. So I'm going to secure this part that it moves up and down, right? You can see here the play that it has is just move around. So I already did this in the other pillar. So I'm gonna remove this part and then I'm gonna put some felt or Velcro. I'm gonna put Velcro on each corner, like three pieces on this side, three pieces on the other side, and that should fix it. So let me do that. Okay guys, I finished adding the Velcro. As you can see, three sections. Okay, you have one, two, and three, and also on the other side, one there and the one on each corner, one in the center, and then one in the corner. I'm just gonna put one more piece here. Okay, so you have six pieces, and this one seven. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back together. Okay, so to insert this back in place, make sure that they snap like this in this section. Okay, that's the top and that's the bottom. So this part here, that has to be underneath the top. Okay, the one in the center goes like that. Okay, so then on the right side, it has to go like this underneath. You see that? Okay, so that's how this piece goes in there. And you can see the velcro is underneath that, so it's going to add some friction in between the two pieces, so it will slide a little more, let's say with some more friction, yeah, so it's not going to be freely moving like it used to. So hopefully that will avoid the sound that we hear all the time.